Okay, so just a quick shout out for the creworks wire stripping machine. I've just swapped over from a Vevor and just upgraded to this creworks GEFAHR, and I'm having lots of fun with it, getting through lots of wires. Just seems to grip the wire a lot better and put it through. Been doing this all day, my hands are ruined. But I just wanted to say a good shout out to creworks because I think it's a brilliant machine. Not saying the Vevor isn't, but this just seems to enable me to get through a lot more wire a lot quicker for some reason. So putting a nice score down through the middle. Whoop. Really easy to use. And like I say, getting through lots of cable. Getting a nice score down through it. Absolutely ripping through the wire. It's like it's hungry for it. Yeah, baby. Lovely score down to the middle of that. I'll show you a quick example. Set that a little bit deeper, but yeah, there we go. No rough edges on the wire, lovely. Into the pot it goes.